Morning, everybody. This is our sales manager, Chris, and he's here to talk about drills.
Good morning, interwebs. So we have something very cool here this morning. This morning we're looking at two Series 2000 AutoDrills, and we have two 3-spindle adjustable multiple spindle heads. This customer is actually making a separate work cell off of their CNC area. And what they're able to do is they're able to pull the product off of the CNC, get some work done in a separate work cell, low cost, able to make those big bucks in the CNC machine. And with the adjustable heads, the very cool part about it is they have multiple applications that they want to be able to do. They put 3 drills inside the unit. They're able to do a 3-hole application. They take out the center drill. They're able to do a 2-hole application. Loosen the 2 acorn nuts, and they're able to spin this out and get adjustment out to multiple centers. As you adjust the 2 spindles, this head, it can actually spin on the adapter right on the AutoDrill, so that you always maintain your center line. When we ship, one of the nice things about this is it's fairly turnkey. The customer is making their own fixture table and their own clamping, but we send them the pneumatic control system. We send them the multiple spindle heads with the adapter ready to go. The AutoDrill is set up ready to go. AutoDrill has its own pneumatic switches, end switches in place, adjustable stop for where they want that extend position to end. And they got to make the connections pneumatically and electrically for the motors. You want to make a work cell and pull some work off of your CNC so you can get more hours on the CNC, give us a call. We can definitely help you out.